Welcome to Section 5 and the last section of our Facebook Ads video training. In this section, we will teach you the 10 do's you should consider for a successful Facebook advertising venture, 10 don'ts you should avoid for a successful Facebook advertising venture, premium Facebook advertising tools and services to consider, and shocking and current Facebook advertising case studies. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. 10 do's you should consider for a successful Facebook advertising venture. Create a strategy. In order to attract people, you'll need to post great content consistently and purposefully. A great feature of Facebook pages is Facebook Insights. You can see the average time when your fans are online and schedule your posts accordingly. In case you're planning to schedule 3 posts, you might want to check the best hours that your fans are online and select those hours to schedule your post. Also, tools like Hootsuite and Sprout Social will help you find the data and metrics you need, including the types of posts you should be using for your social media. Get feedback. You'll definitely want to improve the product or service you're offering. In order to do that, you'll have to ask questions and actively listen to your customers. Can you see how great that would be? You can get answers straight from your customers. That's what customer feedback is all about. It will help you understand the why behind the actions of your audience. It is key if you want to get a much clearer picture of what's going on, so you can learn how to go after the right opportunities. Respond within an hour, not 24 hours. It is key to acknowledge customer interactions, even if it's just to say thanks. In the case of negative comments, you can follow this concept. Acknowledge in public, solve in private. If negative comments are handled correctly, people will actually apologize on your page. Follow the 80-20 rule. There's not a right formula to successfully engage your audience on social media all the time, but applying the 80-20 rule should always be part of your strategy. Your aim should be to provide a mixture of both work and play. It's a matter of balance. 80% of your posts should be social, content that really interests your audience and engages them in conversations, and 20% should be related to your brand. The reason is that people use social media to be social. Always make it about building relationships instead of annoying your audience with irrelevant content. As part of your 20%, include persuasive calls to action. Also, include information that benefits your audience. It can be a discount, a special offer, provide useful statistics, etc. Dedicate the remaining 80% to interesting content that really meets the needs of your audience. Things to keep in mind are retweets, inspirational quotes, questions, links to news, etc. Post no more than 4 times a week, 2 times a day. 82% of people think Facebook is a good place to interact with brands. Still, 73% of social media users unlike a brand on Facebook because the brand posts too frequently. Keep your posts under 80 characters. Posts with less than 80 characters receive 66% more engagement, likes, and comments than lengthier counterparts. Adding context to a photo or link is key. Nevertheless, crafting a lengthy status update may cause followers' eyes to glaze over it. Use tracking URLs and Facebook Insights to analyze your page performance. To improve your Facebook page, you need to know how your posts are performing. You can make use of tracking URLs with UTM codes to identify which posts are driving traffic and conversions to your site. For page-specific data, such as your engagement rate per post, you can use Facebook Insights. Once you have insights from these analyses, you can customize your content strategy to post more of what really works. Use a recognizable profile picture. In order to be found and liked, it is crucial to be noticed on Facebook. Your profile picture is at the top of your page and is present in each of your posts. You need to make sure it is something that your fans can relate to your brand. Generally, it's recommended to just go with your company logo. Ask questions. Facebook fans love a good question. Question posts have a 92% higher rate of engagement than non-question posts. A good tip here is to ask your question at the end of your post. It will get your public to leave the post with you in their mind. And believe me, that is a good thing for your brand. Tailor your organic posts. Targeting on Facebook isn't only for paid content. You can also use it for organic posts. It is not necessary to blast out all of your posts to all of your fans. Instead of that, think about ways you can use Facebook targeting tools to segment your organic posts by gender, age, education, etc. If you are more specific with your targeting, you might be able to generate an even better engagement.